Don't tell her I said that.
Wow, the sun's hot. Especially for how cold it is off this bus.